Welcome to Sister Fefe channel, where you are welcome here. Hey guys, welcome to Sister Fefe channel. Today it is Healthy Moments with Sister Fefe Tyson. Guys, today I will be eating a lettuce wrap. Yes, my own style way. Maybe somebody probably out there most definitely has tried this. I have never tried it before. So I had a taste of the lettuce wrap with avocado, and I wanted to put some mushrooms on there. I don't know what it's going to taste like, but we'll see. We'll see, guys. These are fresh mushrooms out of the jar. I have some lettuce. Shout out to Eat with Fefe for sharing the type of lettuce. Oh my goodness, y'all. I got to take a couple pieces off of there. Look like it's no good. On her channel, she does like different wraps and stuff like that. I have some bacon, chicken, and cheese I mixed together. And I have a little chicken breast right here, y'all. And I'm gonna put some of these mushrooms in there. I have never tried this, so I don't know how this is gonna taste. But it looked like in my, there we go, Eat with Fefe. Eat with Fefe would say, but in my mind, it's something good. Now, I don't know if it's going to be good to y'all, but in my mind, it's going to be good. And so, I'm going to put some sour cream on it. And shout out to all my sisters that are striving to create content on healthy meals. Shout out to you guys. And guys, some of their channels will be down below. And you guys are more than welcome to check them out. You guys, I'm going to put some avocado. I'm going to take some of this stuff down. Avocado on my sandwich, which I have never tried before, but we're going to see today how this is going to turn out, okay? I don't know. Then I'm going to put a little ranch. So, on there. And this is what I want to eat, y'all. This is what I want to eat. And put this extra stuff aside. And we just going to make this, y'all, one big wrap. Okay? Uh-oh. I hope I can make it right. Make the wrap right. Yeah, I'm being a little messy. Hold on. It's dropping on me. Lord, forgive me for not praying. Lord, forgive me. Bless this food. Be nice to my body. Amen. Yeah, I am hungry. So that's why I'm eating so fast, because I'm hungry. Yeah, we're going to wrap that up. Take this other lettuce, and we're going to wrap it up. There we go. Y'all, I can't hardly look up because I'm too busy trying to make this wrap. Y'all, there we go. Let's see what it's going to taste like. That's pretty good. The only thing is, I didn't put no salt or nothing on it. Mm. But overall, it's good. I have protein, a lot of protein. Cheese, a little cheese, bacon, a chicken, and then I have the vegetables that's in there. The ranch is good. I would like a little bit more. But, y'all, as a sleeve patient, guys, I must share with you guys, you know, when you get hungry, you be hungry. Like, you be hungry. And it's amazing because before I had this surgery, I never really was hungry. Like, my body tells me, like, I'm hungry. Versus before the surgery, I didn't feel hungry. It was a mental thing. It was like I was eating mentally. It's the truth. And I still do it sometimes, but I don't do it all the time. And I do believe that all my weight gain came from eating mentally versus my body saying, oh, I'm hungry. Like, today, right now, I am hungry. This morning I didn't eat anything. And I really didn't want anything, so I got me some water, water in. And then when I got home from church, we had a revival all this week. And, you know, but when I got in, so I'm coming out from going out, excuse me. I came in, I was hungry. And so, I'm eating because I'm hungry. Not because I'm mentally want it. Just, letting my mind control me. I really am hungry. Now, I'm full. And I'm going to stop because I can feel it. That's something that happens once you have the surgery. Y'all, this is my towel. Wipe my hands with. It sends you a signal when you're hungry and when you're not hungry. And like now, it sent me a signal saying, hey, I'm good. And you just have to, take heed to it. And I ask God to forgive me for the times that I don't take heed to it. Because in your mind, you like, oh my God, that was just a little bit, I still want more. And then you end up overindulging. And I want to encourage you guys, not to do that. Even if you don't or didn't have the surgery. If your body is saying stop, you're full, then listen to it. Because you end up being morbid obese or unhealthy. down the road, and I'm telling you, it's not a good feeling. You can love yourself and everything like that. There's nothing wrong with that, and I did love myself, but I didn't want to be as big as I was, and so now, like I said, I'm trying. I'm trying harder because, like I said, usually I would have went on and ate the rest of that, but I feel my stomach. I feel that it's full. I know that I need to back off. And so, through me sharing this moment with you guys, I hope that it encouraged you guys to stop whenever you are feeling full, and especially to my sleeve sisters and my brothers as well as my rune and wide, RYN, I think that's how you pronounce it. Sisters and brothers, let's get back to what we supposed to do. If we get the signal, let's take heed to the signal. And guys, if you guys have any questions for me and y'all want to ask any questions, I don't mind answering those questions. I go live and I do a Q&A for you guys to the best of my ability. But yes, you can eat wrong. You can end up going back, and I know, and I don't want that for myself. I know you don't want it for yourself. So we pray that we all can get back in line and get back encouraged. So guys, that was my latest rap that I made in the midst of you guys, and I was able to eat as much as I did. And that is my first meal of the day. And also, guys, I will be doing a challenge starting Monday. Okay? I don't know if I'm going to get this out or not in time so you guys can see it. But I will be doing a challenge. Monday, you can watch the video and just start. You can start the challenge yourself if you want to Monday with me. So just check out my channel and see if you want to do that challenge. It is a healthy challenge, okay? So I look forward to fellowshipping with you all again. And as I like to say, goodbye and blessings.